How to make a YouTube playlist on iPhone. Want to organize your favorite videos into a playlist on YouTube using your iPhone? Here's how to create and manage playlists effortlessly. Launch the YouTube app on your iPhone and sign into your account if you haven't already. Browse or search for a video that you want to add to a playlist. Tap on the Save button under the video. Then tap New Playlist right here. Enter a name for a playlist. Choose the privacy settings, public, unlisted or private. Then tap Create. Let's name this playlist Football. To view your playlist, tap on Library at the bottom. Just go to your profile icon, then you can see on the playlist section. Then scroll to find your newly created playlist. And that's it. You successfully created a YouTube playlist on your iPhone. Happy watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.